How to fix iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts. So if you want to fix iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts, then what you need to do, when your phone is frozen and it shows critical alert pop up, you'll notice you can't tap anything. It's completely stuck. The solution here is to force restart your iPhone. To do a forced restart, you need to quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. Once done, you need to just simply go and restart the device, and after restarting, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you'll get this kind of interface. And you just need to simply scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of notifications. You need to tap on notifications. Once you tap on notifications, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of home. Go and select the home application. After tapping on home, you need to tap on allow notifications, which is right here. Go and toggle off the button, and that's it. It will stop the notifications from home application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.